Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to take screenshot, you will firstly have to open the screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and then just hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second, like this. Power key, volume down, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down, and that's how you can take screenshot. You can find your screenshots now in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.